This pickup a day before the 4th of July holiday, Independence Day. How to be smart shopper or smart sneakerhead? Stay tuned and I'll share you how you will do it. Check it out, what do they have here in Adidas for this incoming holiday. Hopefully we can find something good on these footwears. Let's go. So right now here in Adidas they have 60% off everything on the footwear, anything on the shoe. Let's go check it out. And now they got this Boston Super X XR1 selling for $99 with the additional 60%. This one, a nice color, touch of dirty white or off-white, and $99 with additional 60 is not bad. Well, they also have the black ones, but they are in $140. They got the Rising Star RX1, same colorway with a different accent green right here, and selling for $99 with additional 60%. Well, how about the I-5923 with black and white with boost sole, $69.97, and then additional 60% off. They got a bunch of this color black. They also got the D-Rock Runner, $69.99 with additional 60. They also got this NMD R2 for $79.97. The colorway is the red and or maroon white for $79.97 with the additional 60% off. Nice, good deal on that NMD R2. How about this POD? They are selling for $89.99 and with additional 60% off on this shoe. Ooh, not bad on that price though, not bad. And now we got the Crazy Boost You Wear for $89.99 with 60% off. We got a good sizes. This colorway, the Sesame Grant Charcoal, same. The price is $99.97 with additional 60, and also we got a purple colorway, 60% off, and they are selling for $89.97 minus the 60%. Now they got the Stan Smith for $100 with the additional 60%. They also got a different one in here, the Power Face, $100 with additional 60 with the white is $110 though. And we found another good deal here, the Pure Boost RBL, and they are selling for $99.97. Colorway is of course NP'd, and they are also included in 60% off. Light, very light. There's a lot of boost all around. Also they got in the green colorway, same price, $99.97 with the additional 60% off. Let's see, we got more different color here. Another different color, $99.97, same Pure Boost RBL in a different colorway and with 60% off. And also they got the gazelle stitch and turn for 69.97 with the additional 60. They got the black and white. They got the green and white. Also they got red and white and blue and white. All are 69.97 with the additional 60% off. Nice and a good deal. We got the good deal daily 2.0 and is selling for $44.97 with the additional 60% off. Here in the kids section they got the Pure Boost Go J for $69.97. This one's really nice boost all around, and this one very comfortable, and the color it is nice for kids car. $69.97 with the additional 60% off. And also they got different colorways, same price $69.97. Pure Boost Go J with colorway is some kind of off-white, white or dirty white, same $69.97, good price with the additional 60%. Cheapest I found the True Chill $39.99 with additional 60% off. Well, check and do the math. How much is that? Well, they got a lot of different sizes. Is somewhere 9 and 10 and a half though. This one not bad for the price. Adidas True Chill $39.99 with the additional 60% off. 10 and a half. Good price on those. That is secured at Adidas outlet. We got a bunch of good deals. 60% all footwear. Nice day.
How to be a smart shopper or smart sneakerhead and shopping at the outlet. But first, let's go check out what we find and what we got during the Adidas outlet shopping. So picked up this Adidas I-5923 and selling for $69.97 with the additional 60%, so that's somewhere $27. And I grabbed all the sizes. I already picked up one of these before the earlier video, but this one is very comfortable and it is easy to pair with anything like pants or shorts because it's black and white and very comfortable. The boost all around on this one and very breathable on the toe box. Nice pair of sneaker for I-5923 colorway black and white. Retail or they are selling for $69.97 and grab them for $27. Not bad for that one. And next also pick up the Pure Boost Go J white and pink. This one is the kids section, I mean kids shoe, and look at those boosts all around. It's very comfortable and very light, and it's designed primarily for kids because of the color, but size 7 can be converted to adult, somewhere 9 I believe. I can't remember, but pretty good. $69.97, also $27. Grab this, what, 2 pair of those. Also got me some slide, the Adidas, I don't know how to pronounce that one. This one is 1997 and then additional 60. So how much is that? Somewhere $7 or 8 plus tax. Okay. Nice. Adidas slide. Clean, white, and you call that silver. $7 or 8 somewhere ish after taxes. Not bad for Adidas. Slide or slipper or sandal. Also, I got another one, the Adidas Comfort, which is $29.97. This one is much more expensive than the other one because this one is much more comfortable. Gray, white. The paddings or this part is very soft, like standing on something foam or something. It's very soft when I try this on. So I prefer this one because it's much more softer when I'm using it. The other one should goes to someone giving away because that one is already cheap and it's $8. It's not bad for the sandal. And so moving on, we're done with those. So usually what I do on how to be a smart shopper or smart sneakerhead is I go to the outlet before they have those holiday and after holiday. Why? Because if you go during the holiday, they will usually they jump up the prices, and it's been like more than 2 years been seeing this trend with the retailer store, not just the outlet. They also do it in the other store like Walmart, Target, every store. They knew that the people will go buy if there is holiday, and if you're going before the holiday, you can see that the prices is just on the regular prices or they are in already on sale. And also after the holiday, they will also decrease the prices, go back to the cheaper price or mark it down because they want those items go out the door or go out the store. So it's better to go before and after the holiday if you want to save more and to be not just being smart sneakerhead, also being smart shopper. And also I'm gonna share more tips and tricks on how to be smart shopper along the way with this blog. So I'm not gonna just say it one time because you could understand the way how to save it if you actually seeing it, watching it, and actually on the store or how do I do it. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something on this video, and I hope you could use it on your day basis doing shopping or saving, and also being how to be a smart sneakerhead. That would be all for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Let me know what you think. See you in the next video. Peace.